So you have to find the mirror image of x1 comma y1 comma z1 with respect to the line x minus x naught by a1 is equal to y minus y naught by b1 is equal to z minus z naught by c1. Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics faculty at PLUTUS STEM, and today we'll discuss one more important topic for your JEE Mains, that is mirror image of a point with respect to line. Okay, so line basically we are talking about in three-dimensional space. Okay, so let's say you have a line and equation of line is what? Equation of your line, let's say that is x minus x naught divided by a1 is equal to y minus y naught divided by b1 is equal to z minus z naught divided by c1. Okay, let's say this is your line, and sir, you have a point. Okay, let's say that point is what? That point is something x1 comma y1 comma z1. Getting it? So you have to find the mirror image of x1 comma y1 comma z1 with respect to the line x minus x naught by a1 is equal to y minus y naught by b1 is equal to z minus z naught by c1. So how can we calculate it? Okay, so first of all, let's understand this. Let's say this is your line. So this line says that passes through a point A, which is x naught comma y naught comma z naught. Okay, so you can say, sir, this line is what? This line passes through the point x naught comma y naught comma z naught point. Okay, and this line is parallel to what? This line is parallel to the vector. That vector is a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. Okay, a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. Now, sir, you are given with the point x1 comma y1 comma z1. Let's say your point is somewhere here. Let's say this is your point x1 comma y1 comma z1. Clear? Now we have to find the image. So, sir, let's say image is somewhere here. Now I am joining P with its image. Okay, let's say the image is Q. I'm assuming that is some alpha comma beta comma gamma. Okay, so when you join your P and Q, your object and your image, you can say this line is what? This line is perpendicular to your given line. Okay, and let's say that foot of perpendicular is, when you draw from P, that foot of perpendicular is, let's say, some M. Okay, and one more property we know, that PM is equal to what? PM is equal to MQ. So it means if we have the coordinate of M, so we can use formula and we can find the value of Q. Clear? So how can we find the coordinate of M now? So you can say M is what? M is a point which lie on this line and this line segment PQ. So sir, you can find any general point on this line. Okay, general point. Okay, general point on this line. So how can you find the general point? You can say this is equal to some lambda. Okay, so you can say, sir, x is equal to what? X point, that is a1 lambda plus x naught. Similarly, y is equal to what? Y is equal to b1 lambda plus y naught. And you can say, sir, z is equal to what? Z is equal to c1 lambda plus some z naught. Okay, you know, well, lambda is what? Lambda is the parameter. So, sir, when you put your values of lambda, different values of lambda, you will get your different points on the line. Okay, so now you can say M is my general point. Okay, I don't know what is the coordinate of M right now. Okay, but we are sure about it. We have some lambda such that x coordinate of M is this, y coordinate is this, and z coordinate is this one. So you can say, sir, M having the coordinate as what? Coordinate of M is, you can say, x naught plus a1 lambda comma y naught plus b1 lambda z naught plus c1 lambda. Okay, clear? Now we can find PM vector. Okay, we can find PM vector. So what is that PM vector? PM vector. PM vector. PM vector is, you can say, x naught plus a1 lambda minus x1. Yes. So you can say, sir, x naught plus a1 lambda minus x1 I cap plus y naught plus b1 lambda minus y1 j cap and plus z naught plus c1 lambda minus z1 into k cap. Okay, that's the thing. Z naught plus c1 lambda minus z1 k cap. So now this is my PM vector, okay, PM vector. And we know PM vector is what? PM vector is perpendicular to this line. And if PM vector is perpendicular to this line, so it means PM vector must be perpendicular to the vector which is parallel to the given line, okay. So you can say, we can find what we can say now, using this condition that PM vector perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap, okay. A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap, okay. So you can say that is perpendicular to this. So it means what? If they are perpendicular, so you can say PM vector dot A1I plus B1J plus C1K. That vector is what? That product is what? That dot product must be 0. And using this, we can find what? Using this, we can find coordinates of M. Okay, coordinates of M. Using this, we can find the coordinate of what? Coordinate of your point M. Now, M is what? M is midpoint of P and Q. So using midpoint formula, you can find the coordinate of Q. Okay, how can you find it? Now let's say we are assuming the coordinate of M are what? You are saying, let's say that is x2 comma y2 comma z2. Okay, so you can say, sir, x1 plus, now using this, now you can say x1 plus alpha by 2 is equal to x2, y1 plus beta by 2 is equal to y2, and sir you can say z1 plus gamma by 2 is equal to z2. Okay, z1 plus gamma by 2 is equal to z2. So using this, you can find what? You can find the value of alpha, beta, gamma. It means you can find the coordinate of the image of your point with respect to what? With respect to the given line. Clear? Okay then. Now sir, based on this concept is very important, okay, concept is very important. So sir, based on that concept, we are finding what? We are finding the mirror image of a point with respect to the given line in this question, okay, and that is the question from your PYQs. So that says you have a line is what? Line, let's say that is your line. So line passes through 1, -1 and 2. Let's say that point is A. So you can say that passes through 1, -1 and 2. And you can say that line is what? That line is parallel to 3i plus 2j plus k cap. Now you are given with a point that is P point 349. Okay. If the mirror image of this point with this line is alpha, beta, gamma, you have to find that value of alpha, beta, gamma. Let's say that is my mirror image, and let's say that is given to us alpha, beta and gamma. So I'm saying that is perpendicular to this, and this is the point M, and these two are equal. So how can you find this? You can say, sir, coordinate of M are what? Coordinate of M are 1 plus 3 lambda minus 1 plus 2 lambda and 2 plus lambda. Okay, 2 plus lambda. So now sir, you can find the PM vector. PM vector that is 3 lambda minus 2, 3 lambda minus 2 I cap plus 2 lambda minus 5 j cap plus lambda minus 7 k cap. Okay, lambda minus 7 k cap. Clear? Now you can say, let's say this vector is what? This vector is something, you can say, I'm assuming this is something a vector, okay, small a vector. Okay, so now we know, so that PM vector dot a vector must be what? Must be 0, because this PM vector and this vector both are perpendicular. So it means dot product must be 0 for this. Okay, so when you calculate it, you will get what? 3 into this 9 lambda minus 6 plus 2 into this 4 lambda minus 10 plus lambda minus 7, okay, is equal to what? 0. So when you simplify, 14 lambda and minus 23 is equal to 0. So from here you can say lambda will be what? Lambda will be 23 by 14. Okay, 23 by 14. That is the value of lambda. Next thing, if you are given with the lambda, so you can find the coordinate of m now. So sir, m is coordinate of m, if you observe, that is 1 plus 3 into 23 by 14 plus, sorry, comma minus 1 plus 2 into 23 by 14 comma that 2 plus 23 by 14. Okay, so you can say coordinate of m are, that is 69 plus 14. 69 plus 14 is 83, and that is 46 minus 46 minus what? 46 minus 14, that's 32. Okay, and that is 28 and 23. 28 and 23 is what? 28 and 23 is 51, I think. Yes, so you can say that is 51 by 14. Okay, that is 51 by 14. Okay, so these are the coordinate of m. P you already know. P, coordinate of P, that is 3, 4, 9, and Q you know, that is alpha, beta, gamma. Yes, 3, 4, 9 and alpha, beta, gamma. So sir, using the second thing, that is m is midpoint of these two, so 3 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 83 by 14, beta plus 4 by 2 is equal to 32 by 14, and gamma plus 9 by 2 is equal to 51 by 14. Okay, so find the value of alpha. Find the value of alpha. Or you can do one thing, you can just take 14 here. So 14 threes are that 42 plus 14 alpha is equal to okay 6, and this thing is 166. Okay, similarly from here 14 beta plus and 14 fours are 56 is equal to, that is 64, and next is 14 gamma plus 49 are 126 is equal to that 102. Okay, just add them, add them. When you add them, so you'll get 14 common, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus, just add them, 126 and 56, that will be 132, 182, 182 and 44, 184 plus 40, 224 is equal to what? That is 166, 170, 230, 230, 332. Okay, and you can say, sir, when you simplify, so you can say 14 alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 332 minus 224, that is 801. So 108 is the answer. Clear? So you can say we have to find what? We have to find the value of 14 alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is 108. Clear? So that's very important concept for your JEE Mains, how to find the image of a point with respect to a line in three-dimensional space. Okay, so for that video, this is enough. Okay, in the next video, we will discuss the next concept. Till then, thank you everyone. Bye bye.